Only my toe can go out there. Listen to me, this place is already too expensive. It's giving 1,600 something. I'm breaking it out for y'all afterwards, okay? But I like the common area, how that looks already. The leasing office, I should say. The gym is right here, but I'm sure we'll see it afterwards. If not, I'm gonna ask the hopefully place look like something. For my moving date, it's around, what, 1,500. I don't think so. I might as well re-sign in my place. Anyways, they got a game room.
We able to lounge and relax. We do have a pool area. All day.
300. Do I get that back?
No, that is the
So the fee is refundable. The cleaning fee is not.
right. So
This is their Zen garden, guys. Saw this. I think that's why I like this place too. Ooh.
so we do have.
I didn't even realize we were already in the gym. That's why when you said fob in, I was like, oh, we're going back to the.
No.
Okay.
This is the amazing part.
So this is the gym.
And this is where the men's and women's restroom is.
Yeah.
Letters, envelopes, anything like that will come here.
Okay. Okay.
So we do have a spot where you'll be able to use them through your phone, and you'll be able. You'll be able to put in a code, and you'll be able to gain access to your apartment.
Yeah.
You're also able to utilize it through your phone and control the temperature. Apartment does have stainless steel appliances.
Yeah. I like this. Y'all have some, you can't see it because it's dark. Yeah, I don't like granite countertops. They look old and the spacing didn't make sense. And then this is what, look at the fridge. That don't even make no sense. So you want me to move in here? That's what the place looks like. And y'all know I love a flat top. You know what? The dark brown is not terrible. I've been looking at the light ones since I've been touring because I wanted something different, but it looks good in here. So then I would need furniture that would lighten up the place. Yeah, the last time I visited a Juliet, I was like, only my big toe can go out here. Yeah, y'all know I don't do, what am I gonna do with this? Like, look, only my toe can go out there.
Girl.
Please.
Space. As you can see, there's no carpet, so no allergies, no.
Yeah.
The bathroom, we do have sunlight, ceiling fan, and then the apartment does come equipped with washer and dryer, so it's gonna be stackable.
I like that. It's pretty big in here. Okay. Washer and dryer included. The minute I saw how far the island was, the balcony, the granite countertops, the closet, I wasn't gonna get this. I only finished recording for you guys. Oh, let me see something. Okay. So y'all know I don't like the whole coming to my bedroom to get to my bathroom. So this is a plus because there's a door here and then there's one for my bedroom, so you can't go through my bedroom.
We do have a garden tub, a nice vanity. Love the size of the mirror.
Big, yeah. It's the same brown. Look at the refrigerator. You want me to pay $1,500+ for this? Don't upset me.
I like how it just has that indentation for your bag so that, you know, it's getting.
I like the kind of separation I feel like this is right here. So you have this wall and then the toilet and your tub. And then it has another smaller mirror. Through the bedroom. Yeah, so this is the space, you guys.
So come see us.
Oh, I didn't even open these.
Yes. So you do have a closet there, and then the other would just be
Ooh.
utility.
I feel like this is a good closet size and space. Yeah. Thank you. They're enjoying their expensive rent. They should.